This is very important to detect the errors in reading and writing. So whenever we are performing the read and write operation, always the reading and writing may not be successful. So we need to find out the errors. This is very good programming. So we have a standard library function which is called as ferror. This ferror will report any error that might occur during your operation of read and write to the file. So it returns a 0 if the read write is successful, or a non-zero value in case of a failure. So we'll see a program which will illustrate this ferror. See, this is stdio.h. We need to include it. We have a file pointer, we have a character. Then this is the fopen, the file name, and we are writing it, trying to open it in the write mode. So this will be open because there will be nothing. If it is in write mode and if it is not existing, even if it is existing, it will overwrite the content, so there will be no content at the first. So what we are doing here is, we are checking file, end of file, FP. We are getting one by one character, and then we are checking for ferror. We know that error is going to happen because we are opening it in the write mode. And whenever we are reading, there will be an error. So this error, we are saying printf error in reading file, and we break. Otherwise, we can just print the ch and we close. Here, in this program, this fgetc function is going to obviously fail for the first time because we have opened the file for writing. While this fgetc is attempting to read from the file, and that time error will occur. That moment the error occur, that is ferror, will return a non-zero value. It will return a non-zero value, and this if blocks will get executed. So instead of just printing the error message using the printf, we can use a standard library function again, perror, which prints the error message which is specified by the compiler. So this program using the perror will run like this: if ferror, then perror, trial and break. Just see that when the error occurs, the error message is displayed like this. So this is going to mean that it will precede the system error message with any of the message which you want to give. Okay.